Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to find command and control server from the malware. So let's get started. In the last episode, we are confused at the ASCII string at the dump. The easiest way to find out the answer is using Fiddler to find out the answer. Fiddler will log every request that we send into the internet when we start the malware binary. So from Fiddler, we can find out the host is from passwing.com and the URL is /row/something. So we can conclude that the ASCII string is servers, the payload, and is downloaded for the later usage. Although we know the payload is downloaded from the internet, but we cannot proceed through the binary. So what do we do wrong here? Let's revisit the binary and let's see what could be wrong inside it. Let's add reference to our string, and before that, there are a bunch of checks. So the first check is the compressed buffer. So in this function, this is the exact place that we find the ASCII strings. So next function is trying to get data from the clipboard. So let's insert omg to the clipboard and see how does it manage the data. It turns out that the ASCII string is the encryption text. The data from the clipboard is a secret key and it's doing the extra operation. So how do we find out the secret key? The answer lies in the dump. Since we know that anything that extra with 0, it gets the original values. So Malwarebytes is the actual key to the encryption. After we copy the Malwarebytes to the clipboard, we are good to go. So after the decryption, we can see that we get a PE structure start with MZ. So that means we win the triumph, and later we're going to face our last challenge. The last challenge is simple. It tries to validate the first two characters to be MZ. If its character is right, then it would pass the check. Finally, we're at stage 2. But how come it says you failed? Better luck next time. What's the secret inside it? Let me tell you next episode.